On Sunday morning, Oliver Finch went to the bathhouse. Talking to the tender lightly about the seeds upon the wind. So many seeds, I warn you, so many seeds. The tender flinched, he flinched at Finch and said, "Yo, small talk does offend. I won't abide your rolling tongue, your picking words upon a pin." We play the part of the man whose son leans upon a crutch, blessing everyone. We serve the swollen and the smug. They buy our bread, but hold our tongue. Oliver Finch, he grabbed a towel and wandered through the misty steam. He sat beneath the Roman sculpture of Neptune on the surging sea. So many seeds, I warn you, in the sea. The statue gazed upon the figure who sat beneath it so contented. The bird whose rambling parlor talk the tender snap had so prevented, whose time in charge were so offended. The Sea King's mantled glory shone down around the little man. He jumped aback upon the touch of waves and wind, all in the hand of Neptune, who had once possessed the attention of astonished Finch. Began a mournful anecdote of what he had seen in the past. So many seeds, I warn you, so many seeds. On Monday morning, Oliver Finch went to the garden with a spade to dig a grave for the cedar box he held so close. So many seeds, I warn you, so many seeds. Inside were all the shallow musings that he had made such a burden. They seeped into the soggy soil, examples that were to be forgotten. Shine, shine is what we cry, but the lantern light is just too high. If we meet along the bathhouse stairs on a Sunday morning, we can reach it there. Shine, shine is what we cry, but the lantern light is just too high. The things I say, the things I hear, are those it reflects on the water. So many seeds, I warn you, so many seeds. So many seeds to burn away. So many seeds that turn their shells away. So many seeds, I warn you, so many seeds. So many seeds that turn away.